Sure. So we received a report yesterday, just afternoon, that Renesmee was missing. We engaged in extensive search efforts between different search parties, as well as Game Commission, Pennsylvania State Police. And throughout the day, we're going over various surveillance and cellular data, other things. We've done witness statements. We've talked to the children in the home, which led us to discover the body of Renesmee around 3:30 this morning.
What is the relationship between the woman charged and Renesmee?
Courtney Utsi is the adoptive mother of this child, and she's been charged.
So not biological mother?
No.
Got it. Is there any indication of cause of death?
Still too early to say. Obviously, foul play is involved. It's very apparent to us that even from the time that we were searching for this little girl, Miss Utsi knew exactly where she was.
How frustrating is that for investigators to know that that information was available and someone knew that?
It's very frustrating because we had a lot of search teams out. We had a lot of people looking for this girl, a lot of false hope. The amount of resources that were dedicated to this, immeasurable. It's not the result that we wanted this morning.
I know it's tough to really say. I mean, what indications tell you that this was homicide?
Well, anytime that a 9-year-old dies unexpectedly and is dumped into a river, that, there's every indication that we need that there's foul play. But what we saw this morning was a girl that appears to be malnourished, various bruises, cigarette burns on her body. We will continue to investigate. We'll get done with the autopsy, but it's very apparent that this girl suffered, and that her mother was responsible. We'll also be looking at further charges.
Where's her biological mother?
Still trying to gather information of that. We're aware of her. She's, I believe, in the same community. But it's been some time since she's had custody of these children.
Mm-hmm. Was Renesmee living with other children in that home, and are they?
There were a number of children in the home. Children and Youth Services have been involved. We've already gotten orders. The children have been removed.
And was Courtney the only adult in that home?
There were 2 adults in the home. Name is escaping me right now, but they were her adoptive parents. 2 women were living in the home.
So Courtney and another woman.
Correct.
And what's the relationship between the woman and Courtney? Do you know?
I believe they're married.
And another married woman.
Correct.
Anything else that you can share with us this morning?
No, I just want to thank all the people that have been involved. Obviously, Ms. Utsi is charged. She's presumed to be innocent until she's proven guilty in a court of law.
You know, the children in the home, were any of those adopted or any of those biological? Or
I believe they're all adopted, although the exact relationship, again, we're still trying to gather. I don't believe that they all had the same father, although they may have all had the same mother.
Another question I had, was there anything that made this uniquely challenging? Was there any challenges specific to this investigation?
Well, it's always challenging when we're given inaccurate information. We're told that Renesmee leaves the house on her own, and, we're trying to put together these pieces, working against somebody who's trying to actively evade us and stop us from finding the truth. But of course, again, we have we have a wonderful state police barracks here, great troopers, extremely skilled in what they do. We, immediately went to work pulling surveillance from different homes, businesses, license plate readers around the county to put together this information and be able to, again, get the result that we did.
So Courtney was purposely giving inaccurate information.
That's what we believe.